Oh sh! Septic tanks are the unsung heroes of regional Australia, with 1 million or so in operation here, let alone millions operating around the world. Their job is to catch sewage and wastewater on properties that aren't connected to wastewater networks, in the same way that rainwater tanks catch water, except not water. But what they don't do well is tell you whether they're full, empty, or anywhere in between. And the result of that is consumers are paying for routine checks that they don't need, and then paying for emergency call-outs when it's too late. So that's where active level monitoring comes in. Like bacon without eggs or fish without chips, a septic tank without a Spectra doesn't make sense. So how does it work? Well, with a Spectra looking inside your septic tank and taking readings 24/7 of the water, you can set pre-configured alerts at 50%, 80%, or even 90% to ensure that that overflow doesn't occur. Ooh, what's that? Oh, thanks. And you can have confidence in your solution working silently away in the background by jumping online and reviewing its red, amber, and green status. Along with the detailed telemetry that gets reported every day, it also reports its RAG indicator, which will let you know if everything's okay, something needs to be addressed, or there's a critical issue that needs to be addressed right away. Okay, so normally I wouldn't want sewage talking to me, and I certainly wouldn't want to look at sewage rags, but in this case, I'll make an exception. So if you're sick of being reactive like my stomach after a hot curry, and you'd rather be proactive, get in touch.